Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Toyota Yaris. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This prevents electrical shorts and accidental starts. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Having the right tools, like a serpentine belt tool and various wrenches, will make the job much smoother and safer. Next, we'll focus on removing the old alternator. Begin by using a serpentine belt tool to release tension and remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Then, carefully disconnect all electrical connections and the main battery cable attached to the alternator. Once these are free, unbolt the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the alternator to the engine. With the bolts out, you can gently work the old unit free. Now, let's install the new alternator. Carefully place the new alternator into its mounting bracket. Align the bolt holes and then securely fasten the 2 or 3 mounting bolts. Ensure they are tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the main battery cable to the new alternator. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto the alternator pulley, ensuring it is correctly seated. For our final steps, perform a thorough double check of all connections and ensure every bolt is tight. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. Use a multimeter to verify the charging system voltage. It should read between 13, 5 and 14, 5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.